Triceratops. It is a genus of Chasmosaurine ceratopsian dinosaur that lived during the late Maastrichtian age of the late Cretaceous period, about 68 to 66 million years ago in what is now western North America. The name Triceratops, which means three-horned face, bearing a large bony frill, three horns on the skull, and a large, four-legged body, exhibiting convergent evolution with bovines and rhinoceroses, Triceratops is one of the most recognizable of all dinosaurs and the best-known ceratopsian. It was also one of the largest, measuring around 8 to 9 meters or 26 to 30 feet long and weighing up to 6 to 10 metric tons or 6.6 to 11.0 short tons. Under the frill, at the rear of the skull, a huge occipital condyle, up to 106 millimeters or 4.2 inch in diameter, connected the head to the neck. The lower jaws were elongated and met at their tips in a shared epidentary bone, the core of the toothless lower beak. In the dentary bone, the tooth battery curved to the outside to meet the battery of the upper jaw. Analysis of the endocranial anatomy of Triceratops suggests its sense of smell was poor compared to that of other dinosaurs. Its ears were attuned to low-frequency sounds, given the short cochlear lengths recorded in an analysis. Triceratops held its head about 45 degrees to the ground, an angle which would showcase the horns and frill most effectively that simultaneously allowed the animal to take advantage of food through grazing. Triceratops were herbivorous and, because of their low-slung head, their primary food was probably low-growing vegetation, although they may have been able to knock down taller plants with their horns, beak, and sheer bulk. The jaws were tipped with a deep, narrow beak, believed to have been better at grasping and plucking than biting. Triceratops' teeth were arranged in groups called batteries, which contained 36 to 40 tooth columns in each side of each jaw and 3 to 5 stacked teeth per column, depending on the size of the animal. This gives a range of 432 to 800 teeth. The great size and numerous teeth of Triceratops suggests that they ate large volumes of fibrous plant material. Some researchers suggest it ate palms and cycads and others suggest it ate ferns, which then grew in prairies. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.